Hi, this is Laura from Laura's Lovely Gifts. Today I'm going to show you my first Halloween project, which is these vulture flamingos. I used a can of black spray paint from Lowe's and a tarp that we had sitting around. I used the metal legs of the flamingos to kind of hold them into place over the tarp. Some of the grass got painted, but that's okay. I used some paint that I had from Michael's and a brush that I already had. I started at the beak, went around the eyes, down the neck, and then throughout the rest of the body. And there you have the finished item. For the white dot over the actual eyeball, I did add a little bit of red paint, which you can see here. I then found a spot in the yard where I wanted to put them, which was right in front of our front porch. I added a little condemn sign, and then later on I did add some pink lights. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like.